girl with emerald eyes, living on the other side of town. Every time she walks by, the whole world seems to slow down. I won't pretend I never noticed the way she shines like summer rain. But when I see you waiting for me, I know nothing has changed. Whisper her name to the wind, let it drift away again, because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Others may come and others may go, like wildflowers on the plain, but no one could ever take your place. So whisper her name to the wind. The old cafe on Friday night was filled with laughter and light. She smiled and said hello to me, then disappeared into the night. For a moment I felt temptation, like a shadow crossing through. But love is more than passing feelings. It's the promise I made to you. Whisper her name to the wind, let it drift away again, because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Others may come and others may go, like wildflowers on the plain, but no one could ever take your place. So whisper her name to the wind. The strongest hearts aren't those that never stray, they're the ones that choose love every day. And every road I've ever traveled through has always led me back to you. Whisper her name to the wind, let it drift away again, because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Through every season of our lives, through sunshine and through rain, I'll hold your hand forevermore and never let it change. The wind keeps blowing soft and free, but 'cause your love stays here with me.
The sun is sinking low tonight, painting gold across the sky. I'm riding down this dusty trail with your memory by my side. The prairie wind keeps calling and the coyotes softly cry, but no matter where this road may lead, you're the reason why. I've seen rivers wide as freedom and mountains standing tall. I've watched 1,000 sunsets beyond the canyon walls, but every dream I've ever chased and every road I've traveled through has only made me realize my heart belongs to you. This is a cowboy's promise to you, forever faithful, forever true. Through stormy nights and endless skies, my love will never say goodbye. No matter how far these trails may run, or where tomorrow's journey's done, there's one thing I know is true. This cowboy's promises to you. The campfire's burning softly underneath the midnight stars, and I can almost see your smile no matter where you are. The moonlight lights the prairie like a silver ocean view, and every star above reminds me of the love I found in you. This is a cowboy's promise to you, forever faithful, forever true. Through stormy nights and endless skies, my love will never say goodbye. No matter how far these trails may run, or where tomorrow's journey's done, there's one thing I know is true. This cowboy's promises to you. One day these boots will settle and these wandering days will end. I'll trade these lonely highways for your arms again. And when that day arrives, I'll thank the heavens too for every mile that led me straight back home to you. This is a cowboy's promise to you, forever faithful, forever true. Through all the years and changing times, your hand will still be holding mine. No matter what this life may do, my heart will always follow you until the last sunset shines through. This cowboy's promise promises to you. Beneath the stars so bright and blue, I'll keep this promise made to you.
There's a girl in town with golden hair. Every man stops and stares. She walks by with a gentle smile and turns their heads for miles. I see the way she talks to you, and though I trust your heart is true, a little fear still lingers on when the night grows dark and long. Don't take my sunshine away tonight. You're the star that lights my sky. I've loved you through the good and bad, through every laugh and every cry. Like the river belongs to the sea. But darling, hold me close and say you'll never walk away. The old jukebox is playing slow while couples dance and shadows flow. You take my hand and pull me near, and suddenly there's nothing to fear. The way you look into my eyes tells me more than words can say, and every doubt that filled my mind slowly fades away. Don't take my sunshine away tonight. You're the star that lights my sky. I've loved you through the good and bad, through every laugh and every cry. Like the river belongs to the sea. But darling, hold me close and say you'll never walk away. Jealous hearts can sometimes see things that never come to be, but true love stands the test of time, and your faithful heart is mine. Don't take my sunshine away tonight. You're the dream I've waited for, through every season of this life. I love you even more. No matter what the world may do, my heart will stay with you. And when the morning sun shines through, I'll still belong to you. Underneath the country sky, our love will never say goodbye. There's a lady down on Main Street with eyes as blue as the sea. Every cowboy in this old town wishes she would notice him, not me. I'd be lying if I told you that it never crossed my mind. But every time I look at you, I leave those fears behind. Faithful through the storm, through the thunder and the rain, when the cold winds start blowing, your love remains the same. No matter who comes walking by, or what the world may do, my heart has always known it belongs to you. Saturday night at the dance hall, the band played soft and slow. She was dancing with the spotlight everywhere she'd go. But you wrapped your arms around me like you always do. And in that moment I remember why I fell in love with you. Faithful through the storm, through the thunder and the rain, when the cold winds start blowing, your love remains the same. No matter who comes walking by, or what the world may do, my heart has always known it belongs to you. Jealousy is a lonely road full of shadows and doubt, but trust can be a guiding light when the stars all fade out. And every mile we've traveled has only proved it's true. There's no one in this whole wide world I'd choose instead of you. Faithful through the storm, through the thunder and the rain,
changing season. Your love remains the same. No matter where tomorrow leads, or what we're going through, my heart has always known it belongs to you. When the clouds have all rolled on and the night gives way to dawn, I'll still be standing strong, faithful through the storm.
The morning sun is rising slow over fields of gold I used to know. Your memory rides beside me still, across every valley, every hill. The train keeps rolling through the night, past small town dreams and fading lights. Though miles may stand between our hearts, I knew we'd never drift apart. There are miles between us, but love can cross the line. No matter how far I wander, your heart stays close to mine. Every road I travel, every sky I see above, can't change the way I'm feeling for the one I'll always love. I hear your voice in the evening breeze, whispering softly through the trees, like an old song on the radio, a melody I'll always know. The seasons come and seasons go, the rivers rise, the cold winds blow, but through the years one thing remains: your love still runs through my veins. There are miles between us, but love can cross the line. No matter how far I wander, your heart stays close to mine. Every road I travel, every sky I see above, can't change the way I'm feeling for the one I'll always love. One day these roads will lead me home, more need for me to roam. I'll hold your hand beneath the stars and forget these distant miles. There are miles between us, but love can cross the line. No matter how far I wander, your heart stays close to mine. Every road I travel, every sky I see above, can't change the way I'm feeling for the one I'll always love. The miles may separate our view, but my heart still belongs to you. I keep the road for you. The sun goes down on a dusty lane, old truck rolling through the rain. Your picture rides upon my dash, a steady light from my past. I've seen bright city lights come and go, but there's one thing I always know: I keep the road for you, my dear, through every mile and every year. No matter where these wheels may roam, your loving heart still leads me home. When lonely nights are cold and blue, I hold on tight to what is true. Across the fields beneath the moon, I keep the road for you. The radio plays a familiar tune underneath the silver moon. Every town is just a stop until I'm back where our memories drop. The world keeps turning fast and wild, but I still think of your smile. I keep the road for you, my dear, through every mile and every year. No matter where these wheels may roam, your loving heart still leads me home. When lonely nights are cold and blue, I hold on tight to what is true. Across the fields beneath the moon, I keep the road for you. One day these tires will finally rest, and I'll be right where
keep the road for you, my dear, through every mile and every year. The stars above and sky so wide have always had you by my side. When morning paints the world anew, my heart still beats for only you. Until the end of all I do, I'll keep the road for you. Down every highway, old or new, I'll keep the road for you.
The sun is rising slow over fields of gold I used to know. Your memory rides beside me still, across every valley, every hill. The train keeps rolling through the night, past small town dreams and fading lights. Though miles may stand between our hearts, I knew we'd never drift apart. There are miles between us, but love can cross the line. No matter how far I wander, your heart stays close to mine. Every road I travel, every sky I see above, can't change the way I'm feeling for the one I'll always love. I hear your voice in the evening breeze, whispering softly through the trees, like an old song on the radio, a melody I'll always know. The seasons come and seasons go, the rivers rise, the cold winds blow, but through the years one thing remains: your love still runs through my veins. There are miles between us, but love can cross the line. No matter how far I wander, your heart stays close to mine. Every road I travel, every sky I see above, can't change the way I'm feeling for the one I'll always love. One day these roads will lead me home,
change the way I'm feeling. For the one I'll always love. The miles may separate our view, but my heart still belongs to you.
There's a girl who turns the heads of every cowboy in this town, with golden hair and emerald eyes, and a smile that never lets them down. I see the way they look at her, like she's a dream they'll never find. But when she lays her hand in mine, I leave those worries far behind. You're the queen of my prairie, the keeper of my heart. No matter who comes riding by, we'll never drift apart. Through jealous nights and restless days, through sunshine and through rain, you're the one my soul belongs to. Again and again, the old dance hall was crowded on a warm July night. Every cowboy wanted one dance beneath the lantern light. I watched them line up patiently, hoping for a chance or two. But when the music started playing, you walked straight back to me. You're the queen of my prairie, of my heart. No matter who comes riding by, we'll never drift apart. Through jealous nights and restless days, through sunshine and through rain, you're the one my soul belongs to. Again and again, beauty may fade like autumn leaves, and seasons always change, but the love we've built together will forever stay the same. The years can take many things, but they'll never take the truth that every dream I've ever had still begins and ends with you. You're the queen of my prairie, never be apart. When the stars shine over Texas and the moon lights up the plain, I love you now and forever, again and again. As long as the prairie grass grows and the western river flows, you'll always be the queen of my prairie. Friday night at the county fair, she walked in and everybody stared. Silver dress and a sweet smile too. For a moment I worried about you. I saw her laughing across the room, like she could light up the darkest moon. But you were standing by my side, still holding my hand with pride. She stole the moonlight from the sky, turned every head as she walked by, but she could never steal your heart, no matter how hard she tried. Because true love shines brighter still than beauty ever could. You stayed faithful through it all, just like I knew you would. The band played songs all through the night, people danced beneath the lights. She asked you once to take her hand, but you stayed right where we stand. That's when all my fears let go, and my heart finally came to know some things in life are meant to last, and real love holds on fast. She stole the moonlight from the sky, turned every head as she walked by, but she could never steal your heart, no matter how hard she tried. Because true love shines brighter still than beauty ever could. You stayed faithful through it all, just like I knew you would. Jealousy can cloud the mind, make shadows where there's nothing to find, but trust is stronger than fear can be when
Your heart belongs to me. She stole the moonlight from the sky, turned every head as she walked by, but she could never steal your heart, no matter how hard she tried. Years may come and years may go, like rivers running free, but your faithful love will always be the sweetest thing to me. The moon still shines above tonight, and everything feels right.
There's a girl with emerald eyes, living on the other side of town. Every time she walks by, the whole world seems to slow down. I won't pretend I never noticed the way she shines like summer rain. But when I see you waiting for me, I know nothing has changed. Whisper her name to the wind, let it drift away again, because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Others may come and others may go, like wildflowers on the plain, but no one could ever take your place. So whisper her name to the wind. The old cafe on Friday night was filled with laughter and light. She smiled and said hello to me, then disappeared into the night. For a moment I felt temptation, like a shadow crossing through. But love is more than passing feelings, it's the promise I made to you. Whisper her name to the wind, let it drift away again, because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Others may come and others may go, like wildflowers on the plain,
take your place. So whisper her name to the wind. The strongest hearts aren't those that never stray. They're the ones that choose love every day. And every road I've ever traveled through has always led me back to you. Whisper her name to the wind. Let it drift away again. Because the only name my heart still calls is yours at the end. Through every season of our lives, through sunshine and through rain, I'll hold your hand forevermore and never let it change. The wind keeps blowing soft and free, but your love stays here with me.
I've been chasing old horizons, down roads I've never known, through deserts, fields, and city lights, a long way from home. Every mile has told a story, every turn has played a part, but every road I've traveled on leads me back to your heart. The river keeps on flowing, and the seasons come and go, like a tumbleweed in the prairie wind. I've drifted with the flow, but when the night grows quiet and the stars light up the dark, I hear your voice calling me back to your heart, back to your heart, where I belong, the place that's been my shelter all along. No matter where life takes me, near or far apart, every road leads me back to your heart. I remember summer evenings, sitting on the old porch swing, laughing at the simple things, the joy your love could bring. Those memories keep shining like a lantern in the dark, guiding me through every storm. Back to your heart, back to your heart, where I belong, the place that's been my shelter. Every road leads me back to your heart. One day I'll stop wandering and leave these roads behind. The only thing I'll ever need is your hand holding mine. The years may keep on rolling, but one truth will never part. My soul will always find its way back to your heart, back to your heart, the place that's been my shelter all along. No matter where life takes me, near or far apart, every road leads me back to your heart. When the journey reaches its end and a brand new day can start, I'll be right where I was meant to be, back to your heart. I've been chasing old horizons, down roads I've never known, through deserts, fields, and city lights, a long way from home. Every mile has told a story, every turn has played a part, but every road I've traveled on leads me back to your heart. The river keeps on flowing, and the seasons come and go, like a tumbleweed in the prairie wind. I've drifted with the flow, but when the night grows quiet and the stars light up the dark, I hear your voice calling me back to your heart, back to your heart, where I belong.